What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. We got a 10-minute leg workout, okay? If you're trying to build those legs up, you're trying to burn those calories, all right? This workout is for you, all right? Nice and easy. We're going to go into some squat touches, coming down and up, all right? Get that bottom back, bounce his toes in, bounce them on out, okay? Sit that bottom back. Keep that back nice and tall. Exhale, she come on up, all right? So we got 10 minutes. All right, we're going to do 4 moves today, okay? No equipment is required, all right? Just a mat. If you like it, alright. Be doing all of our moves standing up though, okay? So no need to get onto the ground. Alright, so just warming up those legs here, opening up those hips. Coming up, nice and easy. Low impact if you do need it. You can go side to side for me, okay? No jump is required, alright? Coming down and down. Or you're staying with me right here, okay? Nice. Great job. Just warming that body up, getting the blood flowing, warming those muscles up, warming up the legs. Exhale, you come on up. Good. Alright, first move here. We're going to do a single deadlift here, okay? So right leg is going to come back, hinging over at the hip, reaching for that ground. Back leg's coming up, coming all the way up. Alright. Coming down. Reach for that ground, coming up. Right there. Alright, nice and easy. Stabilizing with that left leg here. Exhale, should come on up. Reaching that bottom back. Alright, working those glutes, reach that leg back. Coming all the way up. Switch sides. Left leg's coming back. And up. Alright. If you need to tap the ground or put that foot on the ground, you can. You want a little bit more challenge, try and keep that foot up off the ground. And it's okay if you lose your balance. Alright. You're just working the body, challenging yourselves. Alright, bring it on back up. Alright, we're going to do a squat kick out here, okay? So what that looks like, coming down, kick out. One side, other side. Alright, nice and easy. Keeping that back tall. Again, reaching for that imaginary chair right behind you. Okay? Working the outer thigh. Extend that leg out. Toes are pointing forward. Coming back. Working that balance, okay? Keeping that core engaged. Nice and easy. Good. Great job, everybody. Exhale, you come on up. Nice and easy. Bend those knees. Come on up. Kick on out. Extend that leg out. 10 more seconds. Then we're going back into those single leg deadlifts. Alright. Alright, single leg deadlift. Right leg is back again. Coming down. Working that balance. Coming on up. Alright, nice and easy. Reach for that ground. And up. Exhale, she come on up. Again, keeping that foot off the ground if you can. Or just tap the ground quickly and then bring it back. Alright, working the hamstrings here, working some glutes as well. Switch sides, other leg behind. Alright, keeping that back nice and flat as well, okay? You're coming down, keeping the shoulder blades back, straight back, all the way up. Okay. Exhale, she come back up. Feel it right there in those hamstrings, back of the legs. One more. Bring it on back up, back into those squats, kickouts. Alright, second set. Okay. Then we're going to change up the move. And then we're going to do 2 sets of those as well, okay? Good. Exhale that breath as you come on up, as you're kicking that leg out. Again, leg is straight, toes point to the front, coming down and out. Good job. How we doing? Feeling those legs, feeling that burn, okay? Good job, everyone. .15 more seconds. Okay, then we're gonna go into a hamstring curl. Okay, gonna work those hamstrings once again, back of the legs. Alright, last one. Alright, hamstring curl. Hands are gonna be forward, okay? It's gonna help you balance. Hinge at that hip. Right leg coming back again. Hold right here. Bend that knee. All the way up, all the way down, okay? If you can, keep that foot up off the ground. All the way up to your bottom, all the way back. The more you're leaning forward, the more you're gonna be able to balance, okay? Trying to get that heel up towards your bottom as much as you can. Alright, feel it right there in the back of the leg here. Alright, switch legs, other side. Alright, extend out, bend that knee. Good. Great job, everybody. You got this, okay? Working balance, working core as well, okay? And again, if you lose your balance, that's okay. Just get right back into it, okay? 10 more seconds. And then we're gonna go into some side lunges here, okay? Alright, bring it on up. Stepping right side out, coming down. No step over, just coming over. Alright, just nice and easy. Bending that leg, leading into it. Pushing off with that bent leg as you come back to the other side here, okay? Sit that bottom back behind you, okay? Both feet nice and flat on the ground. Exhale as you come on over, okay? As you come in up, over to the other side, okay? Core is engaged. Alright, hands at center, hands on hip. You can pick. Alright, nice and easy. Good. Great job. We got about 20 more seconds, okay? Side to side. Feel those legs. Alright, extending each side. Alright, bring it on back up. Hamstring curl once again. Last set. Right here. Hands forward. Bend that knee. Okay. Feel it in the lower back as well. Okay, everything is engaged here. Back is flat. Getting that heel up. Hands forward. Working that balance, working the core here. Okay. Five more seconds, then we switch over to the other side. Last ones. Alright, switch it over. Other side. Left ones. Back. Hinge over. Bring it up. Great job, everybody. We're almost done with the workout here, okay? Gonna get in the side lunges one more time, and then we're gonna finish off with those squat touches, just like in the beginning, okay? Okay, hold that balance. All right, 5 more seconds. All right, go ahead and relax. Side lunges, last ones. Over and over. Okay. Again, try and go as deep into that lunge as you can. Side to side. Pushing off with that bent leg as you come over to the other side. Nice job, everybody. Good work. Keep it going. Challenge that body. Challenge those legs, okay? Feel them burn. 30 seconds left. Nice job. Side to side. Keep going. $15 more seconds. All right. Almost done. And relax. All right, last squat touches, okay? Coming feet together, coming down, and up. All right, finish off those legs, finish off your workout. If you need to, you can pick that speed up just a little bit faster. Okay, pop those feet up, pop those feet in. They don't stay on the ground for very long in between each one. Exhale, you come on up. Good. Reach for that ground. Again, that low impact, if you need it, just go side to side for me. All right, this is low impact, no jump required. Oh, you're here. Okay. Good, nice job. Keep it working. Keep pushing yourselves. 15 seconds left, okay? Almost there. Stay strong. Keep going. Give me a few more. And relax. Great job, everybody. Shake out those legs. Nice work today. Alright, go and pull in that right foot, right quad stretch. Hold the balance. Feel it right there in front of that right leg here, okay? Get that foot in. Back is nice and tall. Switch sides. Hold your body steady. Keep it breathing. Slow down the breathing. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through that mouth. Alright, bring it back. Hinge it over. Hamstring stretch. Reach for those toes. Reach for that ground. Roll it up nice and slow. Standing figure 4. Right leg over. Come down slow. Hit that bottom back. Feel the stretch back of the leg. Other side. Sit right into it. Nice and slow. Alright, bring it on up. Go ahead and give me a nice big inhale. Exhale. Give yourselves a hand. Great job, everybody. Thank you for joining me. Alright, remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you guys next time.